Hey guys, it's me, and this is the last week of class. Can you believe it? So, I wanted to make a quick video talking about the final exam. So, I'm on the lessons homepage where you go to final exam, the very last entry on the lessons homepage, and then you'll go to this screen, and it gives you all the instructions about the final exam. There's 4 parts of 20 questions each, total of 80 questions. It'll be totally online. There are you can retake the quiz, each of the 20 question quizzes you can take as many times as you like within the availability time frame. There's a 1 hour time limit on each time you take it, and there are page references just like the chapter quizzes. So have your Making China Modern textbook handy to do that. It's divided into 4 parts of 20 questions each so that if you lose your internet connection or you have a problem, you don't have to go back and retake all 80 questions. And then the availability is going to be tomorrow morning starting at 8 a.m. until Thursday at 8 p.m., 48 hours. And beyond that, you won't be able to take the exam. So please, please, please go in. Basically, everything has to be done by this Thursday. If you're missing assignments, um, get those things turned in by this Thursday. If you've got zeros in there and you turn in assignments, I will I will change your score. Okay? All right, so hopefully that's helpful. Let me know if you have questions. You can text me 541 639 2102, or you can email me. All right, thank you.